Hello and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In today's 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn to use the standard calculation functions in Power Query Editor. Click on a column in Power Query Editor, then select Add Column from the top ribbon. Click in Standard and you will have access to basic mathematical functions such as add, multiply, subtract, etc. I will select Add. From this pop-up window, I will select the column capacity. This will add the values of capacity column to the in-house column. We have created a new column which is the addition of capacity column and in-house column. Now let's add a specific value to the column. Open the Add Column pop-up window and select Value. I will add 100. We have now created a new addition column with the value 100 added to the selected column. If you want to learn Power BI from scratch or clear your Power BI basics, click on the video on your screen. Please subscribe to the channel to get regular updates.